Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deactivate the private number feature on your Android phone so your calls can show up with your actual number. Sometimes your phone might show up as private number when you make calls, and that can be frustrating if you want people to see your contact info. But don't worry, it's an easy fix. Let's work through it. First, open the phone app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open your settings menu, then select settings. Scroll down and find the option for calls or call settings. Now look for additional settings or more settings. In this menu, you will see an option for caller ID. Tap on it and you should see three options: network default, hide number, and show number. Select show number to make sure your phone number shows up when you make calls. Once you have done that, exit the settings and restart your phone. Now your number will display for outgoing calls instead of showing as private number. And that's it. Your calls will now show your real phone number. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.